We're going to create a new scenario. So basically it goes as follows. Go to the expenses worksheet, expenses. It says Jessica has created two scenarios on the worksheet, one that includes current values and the other that reflects an increase in sales. Jessica also wants to know how profit would change if she sold 10% fewer quilts of each type. Create a third scenario to provide this information for Jessica as follows. So she wants to create the scenario if she sold 10% fewer quilts. All right, so we're going to go to the data tab and we're going to go to the what ifs scenario manager, and we're going to create a new scenario. For the scenario name, we're going to use unit sales decrease. And then for the cell range, we're going to use F13 through H13. All right, boom, boom, boom. And then we're going to hit OK. For the Aspen units, we want to change this to 23. And then for the Napa, we're going to change this to 20 because we're dropping everything by 10%. We're going to change this one to 24. So now this scenario, we're dropping everything by 10% to give us what the expected outcome would be of this scenario. So we're going to press OK. Just like that. So now we have an increase scenario, we have a decrease scenario, and a current. So in case you were making some kind of report to your boss or something, if they're like, hey, how much, if we had a decrease of 10%, you can be like, well, this would be the outcome, or an increase of 10%, that can be the outcome. And you can kind of just add and take away or edit these scenarios. And also the summary report will give you basically a list of information and data explaining what the summary is. So yeah, that's it.